Welcome to the KYZEN booth here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Michael McCutchen. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Trevor.
All right. So you just come back from a big trip in Asia, Michael. But let's talk first of all about the European market here, because it's been slow, to be honest, for the last couple of years. But this show has been exceptionally busy, which is showing signs of companies that are pivoting away from the reliance on automotive into other markets. What's your take on it?
Definitely. First of all, this show has been exciting. I always love coming to Productronica because it gives us a good chance to see the global markets. People come from everywhere. And even talking to industry partners about their situation, their innovative solutions that they're bringing, helps us make better products. But yeah, with regard to the market itself, the pivot away from automotive, right now automotive is obviously down, everybody knows that, but what we're seeing is big trend towards military aerospace. It's still in our wheelhouse, clearly, with mission critical applications, and so we're really enjoying that.
Yeah, I mean, your Equinox 4618 is already qualified for all these sort of applications, so it's an easy switch over for these customers.
Exactly, and that's one of the things we're highlighting here. 4618 has been available worldwide. We have not had it in Europe until now. It's not that we couldn't, but we tend to let the trends in the market drive where we put things. What we just talked about before, we started seeing more military aerospace type applications, so we felt the time was right to bring it to the market. And it is widely approved in military, medical, major mission critical applications. So we're excited about that.
That's great. That's great. And of course, it's important that using these mission critical chemistries, that they're monitored very carefully. And if we were very fortunate to win a Global Technology Award just the beginning 2 days ago. For the Analyst.
That's right.
Or the Analyst 2, should I say?
That's
which is the second edition of it. What changed between the Analyst 1 and the Analyst 2?
Yeah, it's more robust, and yeah, I will say we did win that award. That's actually the 100th award we've received, so we're excited about that. We had a little toast to that. What changed? It really has the same advanced analytical package that it had. Has all the same features and everything, but it's more robust, more industrialized, and that makes it easier to integrate into really any type of equipment and really do a good job of lasting a long time. And the interface has changed a little bit more to make it user-friendly. That feedback loop that we have from customers from the Analyst 1 who obviously loved it, it was very successful, and just made it better.
So have a lot of the people who had the Analyst 1 upgraded to the Analyst 2?
Starting to as needed, but the Analyst 1, like I said, it was working really well. So they're not going to just throw out the baby with the bathwater, so to speak. So as new equipment is purchased, they're going with the Analyst 2, and as someone needs a new unit, they're going with Analyst 2 as well. The nice thing about the Analyst, I'll just remind everybody, is that, the measurements we take about 32 measurements per second. It's real-time notification to your phone if you can. And it's monitoring temperature and concentration. And like you said, being able to monitor within 0.1% resolution of concentration is a very significant development. What we've seen in the past, when people are trying to drive costs down, if they get under cost pressure, a lot of times if they're doing manual monitoring, they have to overshoot on concentration to make sure they have that wide process window. Right. With the Analyst, they don't. They can run at the spec that they put in with tight resolution, and it helps the process.
Saving them in concentration.
Saving them money. But more importantly, when you get into the higher concentrations with any chemistry, that introduces variable in rinsing and things like that. Fortunately, with 4618 and our products, they're designed for superior rinse. But still, you should, if you qualify a process at 10 or 15%, you want to stay as close to that as you can. You spent the time to study the compatibility, concentration, everything around that. And the Analyst 2 and Analyst 1 really helped to do that.
Yeah, that's great. So, I mean, the other thing I think on the Analyst 2 is it's got a very wide range of chemistries that it can monitor.
That's right.
Something like 60, I think you mentioned earlier.
That's right.
Correct?
That's right. The Analyst 2 is different than in many ways it's different than any other type of concentration monitoring device. Because KYZEN serves customers across the globe in the market, and we strive for helping them achieve reliability, we designed it so that it can work with any chemistry. not just our chemistry. So
This is going beyond the stuff you use in electronics into the industrial space and
exactly,
sort of thing.
exactly, and we can use it, like I said, wide range. Just have to calibrate it to the chemistry that they need, and it's a very robust tool.
So you've just kind of ruggedized it for any environment.
Exactly, exactly. And the advanced analytic package can really go as far as anybody wants to go. Depending on firewalls and things like that, we can download the information off USB stick, or it can be integrated where they can get it, receive it in real time. It's an amazing tool. I'd highly recommend people take a look at it, save money, and also make sure you're operating within spec.
Absolutely. No, it's quite impressive. And once again, congratulations on winning the award.
Thank you so much, Trevor.